Hey y'all, Carolina Tony here. Today I am somewhere in the state of Idaho, probably in the west and the southwest section of Idaho. We are here rock throwing distance from the Snake River. Today I am going to take you on a spiritual walk. This is somewhere I just stumbled on and I thought it was pretty neat, and I thought we would walk the trail and take this positivity trail and a spiritual walk. I know it doesn't make sense, but come with me, you'll see what I'm talking about. It said Fairy Museum, and so far I haven't seen anything but maybe some eclectic art, if that's what you call this, some signage, some birds. We'll follow the trail and see where it leads. Lots of look and forget your troubles, love one another, rabbit crossing. So lots of yard art. Does that say live well or live well? Laughed often. I'm gonna guess it says live well. Laughed often. For baby birds, we make bird seed. Rhinoceros. Solitude Trail. We're walking along the Snake River. Lots of large zoo animals out there. We're still traveling. So as we walk along the trail, lots of positive reinforcement. Don't take life for granted. Train your mind to be happy. It's easy to love. Squirrel holler. And there's the Snake River in front of us. A family of frogs. And here is some founding fathers. There's Benjamin Franklin. Yeah, he could be a founding father. And there's Mark Twain. He could have been a father. And here is I don't know. Shakespeare. How would I know that? The skull next to him. Horatio. He knew him well. And look, up on the side of the mountain, a rainbow. And who was this guy? What's his name? Theory of relativity. What's his name? There's Abraham Lincoln. So this is a positivity trail. It is not a ferry. Of course, there's a ferry there. Never give up God. If thine enemy is hungry, give him food or drink. Here's a couple getting married. Here is the Swayne family. And here is a long thing about their history. And I'm not going to read it. But maybe the Swayne family makes this positivity trail possible. If so, thank you, Swayne family. I see a bird, and I know the Swayne family likes birds because I've seen lots of them down in here. Hats off. Along the street there comes a blare of bugles, a ruffle of drums, a flash of color beneath the sky. Hats off. The flag is passing by. Blue and crimson and white it shines. Henry Holcomb Bennett. Kids playing baseball. This thing goes on for a long ways. And there are kids playing. Oh, it looks like they're ice skating. And by the way, it's 90 degrees. No, they're not. They're rollerblading. What you can do when it's 90 degrees outside. And kids are playing over here. Look, this is something that kids have forgotten how to do. Ride bicycles, ride tricycles, play. And maybe this is Bambi's family. We have come to the end of the trail. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, Mother Nature lives here. Let's see what this is. There are some trolls. Well, this thing goes on for a long ways. Well, let's follow on out. There's another troll. There's several trolls. Duck, goose. There's the other dwarf. There's seven cardinal sins: envy, pride, anger, gluttony, sloth, grief, lust, and even Mother Nature can't do much for a grouch. What's Mother Nature talking about? Moose in the bushes, moose in the bushes. Well, definitely not what I thought. I thought there would be a boat here because it said it was a ferry museum and it had a whole ferry. So, surprise, surprise. I bet you a lot of people didn't know this. They thought the rainbow meant something else. But the rainbow is a sign of God's covenant to man that he would never destroy the earth again by water. He is not God of the dead, but God of the living. And here at the tomb, let's go inside. Here's the Swayne Family Cemetery. Well, that is not what I quite expected, but it was fun just the same. Hope you have enjoyed our trip to the Fairy Museum here, somewhere on the Snake River, somewhere in the state of Idaho. The spiritual walk, so to say, has been very enlightening. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.